No, I'm not in the room.
Okay, all right. Well, look out. You could get some play here when it open, man.
Okay.
If it rally up back, you should be able to take micros. All right. This is the third time I'm short in the market here. First time, second time. Short NQ dropped before. Got out too early. Leave a couple $1,000 on the table. But I'm back in again here, right? China's opening up. Let's see if we get a bigger drop. I expect this drop today because the way we close on NQ closing below the 55 simple moving average. Okay, here we go here. Look, sea of red. Look at Asia. Nikkei down 600 points plus. China just opened up. China's opening up in 3 minutes. I'm looking for China to sell off. Once they open up, and I should be able to send these indices down, right? So I got one NQ, one M2K, and I got one micro on YM and micro on NQ. See if we can get a bigger sell off here. They're gonna rally up when Asia, when China and Hong Kong open up. But up $195 here. I mean, I could take this quick win here. I think we could come back and test the lows. This could be a home run, or I could give up their lead here and then get back in. So I get out twice and then it dropped hundreds of points. So maybe I leave this one on. Set a stop. I just leave it on and see if it could get a bigger drop. So look at the NQ. Got a crossover here. Look here, we're gonna come back. This was the low here. I had some big candles. Look at these candles, guys. These candles like 300-400 ticks. Some of these candles. So China's opening up. Let's see if they're gonna sell it off. All right, so China's opening up. Let's see if they're gonna drop this. Up 190 still. I would love to see it come back and test this low here. That would be a nice home run trade here. Got a few spots here. Could come back into this consolidation here. You know. Could break the trend line, then I get out. Okay, China's opening up. It's kind of getting a pop here with China opening, right? But it could all be temporary, right? So then I would add, if it rally up here, China open, I'm gonna add to my trade. Okay, China open up. Let me see what China look like. China, they all open up, they're all down. Hang Seng down 470 points. Wow. This is murder here. Everybody getting whopped here, guys. Looking for a drop. They eat up most of my profit, but that's all right. Playing the big picture here tonight, so. We got some levels here. We like NQ to come back and test. So I add another NQ. I'm up $340, guys. That's the play. I give up 100, came back, got 340 here. I'm gonna take one off here. I didn't get filled, but it's all right. It's all right. It's all over the place. So I'll leave that one there. You know what? I'm leaving these trades to run tonight. Set a stop and let us see if they could run. Right. I like NQ to come back down here. YM, M2K, NQ is the play really. Looking for NQ to drop. So if NQ could come back here. If NQ could come back here, see that? It's coming down. I'm up 413.2. I think I'll take one off here. I take one off at $430. The second one is only up 95. So we just book a nice profit there, right? Let's leave one run on and I'm going to add to this. Okay. 420. We take off a 300 plus win. See if they're going to drop it one more time. I might add to my trade here, guys. Well, here we come. Why am I up $20 on the micro NQ? Trade in there. NQ micro. It's up 21. E-mini is up 75. I'll leave the micros on. I'm not going to touch them. I'll leave them on all night. RTY. He's not doing much right now. NQ up 26 on the micro. E-mini, I'm up 110 on the last one here. It's gonna be a $500 win, guys. Hopefully. I was going back and forth, right? So I think it might recover a little, right? So, and then I short it again. So okay, here we go. 115. See here, coming back here to this level here. So it's gonna be a $500 trade here. Take off 4, 3 something. And take that off. $110. 105. I'm done. So we got nearly $500 in that trade there. On the micros, we got NQ micro, got M2K micro, and we got wire micros. Micros, I keep them on, right? So could always add to my NQ micros, right? So what I would like is NQ to pop up back, right? And then I would short it again, right? So we take off the E-minis. The reason why we take them off is consolidation here. This is going up, right? Don't want to short it. We want to short it back up here on a recovery back somewhere here. And then, right, if it comes up here, we come back into the value area here, right? I'd love to come back to the 50% level here, and then I short it and stay short for a while. Okay, guys, so that's the play. So we got the micros on. NQ micro, M2K micro, and wire micro. All right. Consolidating here in the squeeze here on NQ. All right, so if we look at this chart, this is what NQ did since we opened up. Just get trash. All right, just get trash. So I got some of it 2 times. Just didn't play it right. I was up 500. By the time I could jump up to get thing, I was only get a couple bucks from it. Came back short it again. Came back short it again. Make $600 or $800. This is right here at the low, so pretty low value area, just consolidating here. Have green dots, so might get a relief pop, and then we could take it down. All right. No volume, so it'll be very spiky. I love it to come up back, at least into this consolidation here. All right. Now we got our upper levels here. I can't get out his own way. Look at this. Hey, it's coming back to that lower level. Wow. Oh, they're just selling them off now. Wow, can't chase this anymore. It's coming back to the low here. The micro's up 40 bucks. 40 bucks. M2K. It's up 24. And YM is up 22. They're just selling this market off. So. Could play these back to the lows for the day here. The low for the session is here. The pre-low. All right, you could play it back here. That's NQ. It's going to test my level here. That's level here, that is swing there. come back to the pre-low. And then we could take the profit on the micro there for $50, $51. And take it here for, okay, he's in the selling. Get a double bottom, he's gonna pop up, but he's in a downtrend, so he's gonna fail. So I take the double bottom, take $60 win here, right? And M2K, we up $53. I take that as 100, right? On YM, we up 42. He come back to the low of the night, right here, and I take that. So we got 100, close to $150 win there on the 3 micros. Plus another $500. So we did well in this trade. We let it do what I got to do to come back to the lows here. All right, the low here for the night. What we'd like is a rally up this, come back to this double bottom, meaningful, and then we could take it down. But Nasdaq is on 172, 130, and 30. So 172 and 130. I gotta remember those numbers. Let's come back hit this level here. See how would that work? Come back, test it, then prior swing, right here. Break the prior swing, test that level, and bounce off of it. This is the low. So I want to go short here. I will go short here and a pivot back up. Tonight is a good night, guys. Guys, see this chart here? This is what tell you that, look at this big picture chart, man. It's a beauty. NQ closed today below 55 on the simple. All right, now he's trading below the 100. NQ futures trading below the 100 simple moving average. That's trouble. Look at RTY trading below it also, right? But RTY break below it. ES is at the 21. All right. YM still above the 8 simple moving, the 8 exponential, right? So, but NQ and RTY is in trouble. NQ goes, so's the market. So look at revert to the mean. Told everybody to short the Dow today at the high. Short the ETFs. Load up on the ETF called put spreads or straight up puts, whatever. For Friday, I go to the 21st. So extended trouble. The charts tell you everything. Look at it. Look at this. I expect this thing could go to 22, come back and test this high. All right, from a couple days ago, 5 days ago level here. All right, momentum is shifting on the squeeze, adding pressure to the indices. That's where you like to see them, right? But tomorrow there's going to be trouble. If NQ and RTY close below the 100 simple, we could go into correction. All right, we drop another 2%. All right, and they get to 3%. All right, there'll be some trouble for the market. Okay, guys, look for the next trade.